Yansaka Anthony Abayifaa Karbo. Honorable Marchana Pay.
Good morning.
Important saying.
Adam.
Yadanyamiase. Enra NDC for a press conference. Nipa na or the press conference this is so Yera Sammy Gyamfi communication officer. What should I say? Dr. Bawumia as a person or you corrupt. Na wama ninya be me dwuma sunyane. Yes, katwitwiri die. Ene ade. Minim se press conference no die kire a.
Acho man die kire sa.
Na what mu nsem kakra.
Ati mu nsem.
Your response.
Good morning again.
Machi.
Yeah, that's it. My response is very simple. Yes, football moody. Yes, if you miss the man, if you miss the ball, don't miss the man. Yes, sir. Dear NBC for no yina and say Omunyashi ya omudebe sticky yewura Bawumia so about corruption. Omunya. I say more omudia bay. This is not the first time omudia say me about or more cancer Bawumia ya corrupt nowadays or Juma Maninia. Bawumia your minister for roads. Emra Bawumia NDC Mreso 2014 on your contract, not Bawumia or your minister for roads, not your vice president.
Hello, no.
At the time, Bawumia's brother in 2014 was awarded a contract under John Mahama. Was Bawumia then in government? Bawumia's brother is a businessman. Or started here business, then the brother cry and governor of the bank. Obia or wasrim Obia or ye any set Brad Bawumia or your contractor did. NDC Mreso, NDC Doma Tia Konyaso, the Mahamana contractor, Sammy Gyamfi, a Ninsamo, one of the contracts or Kanwasam, NDC Mreso. Any this Jumano,
was it the Sunyani airport contract? And who said, Mana?
And yes, Sunyani airport contract. And also, our contract, no, say, it was Sunyani. Sunyani outer road, no. NDC Mreso. Sa time, no. Na Inusa Fuseni, any Alaji Sule Aminu, and an minister for roads. Na Bawumia Wabemu. You Bawumia only Abemu. Inti woman say adipoti Bawumia ya ebetumi aka say Bawumia ya corrupt o de monk
Almost says our contract na Sunyani de titru so sourcing na Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia na dia medimia
Ghana ha so sourcing e de boni so sourcing e de boni.
What's the cassette you during campaign?
Make oh, Pato.
Me too.
You see, yeah.
Oh,
many why you do me or media space for close to over 15 years.
Yeah.
Me, I've gone past the politics of equalization. And you man, Kasankasamoye. And you ma John Mohammed Nianom, the Bushian for almost business in the course of their business. One more yano, me betina radio soon. Because I have become a minister before in the sector, and I know that a plenty of her yet the source contract, my contracted here, made in an agency. BB Air Koswa here. It will take you a minimum of 4 months before you advertise and award a contract. 4 months. Into Ukrom Kwayecha, ensure you no Ukro Kwamecha. Kanko, Nipanko. Abayifaa also make a contract obejina so. Inti yen train 4 months and sana the contractor no ya award contract number contractor and sana wakose adwuma na say. Mu media for mbeti asesa. Inti mrano so provide you the opportunity. Say odi contractor be ko adwuma no so na fe ya procurement process no ediama contractor no. Na se contractor na ko gina kwan no so na oye kwan no so a ye den na wo be bie sa tender no ediama nipa bebre so wo mamra ene ka mema contractor no nkompo na train 4 months Ghana for be nya santi ase no Ghana for o be nya santi ase no
ba Anthony ebi aka say so sourcing no e ma kwan ma corruption ebi a obehwe na kanipa ba ko mienu miensa de ba
Bawumia ni aye no eye design and build wo contractor no ye de kwan natural ye say wa kasa ko na ko ye enu adwuma the design for cost and bra o de ba onipa no wo ma wo adwuma no wo no be hwe no wa hwe mu so cost was so aha untumi nye ne say aha untumi nye ne say na fe oni na ka ansa na yetumi the award no e de ahye wonsa Ghana ha your contractors bebre ya wo mo ye design and build e bi kura nye Ghanaian contractors wo me foreign contractors e wo kroma. It also depends on the agency of the contract. But say you person can say oh e bia Bawumia nua na aye nti eye bone dia ene e betunya kenkan ya bobo NDC4 yewura mama ni nuanom a wo mo so mo ye contract yewura mama nua ba ko a friend Alfred Mahama or contractor unim source contractor why yewura Ibrahim Mahama ono so ye Salga Road contract under NDC sa contract e sole source. Me dream the casa, me dream the Jina and Cassa, a bonnet. Because there must have been some agency for the road to be constructed at a particular time. And until any dear man. Look, in your Mendes if they have nothing to stick on Bawumia, don't go around looking for things and your mind to say. I mean, go back to the same Auditor General's report and see the number of contractors are one listed as contractors are almost 1 year sole source under Cocoa Board project. Now you will realize that NDC contractors won't be. But Obian can want them because number one, contractor no so ye NDC new, so ye NDC new. I was say oh yeah Juma, say oh yeah can. Na we NDC contractor no just say untimi nya adwuma MPP ba ye NDC contractor bebre ye adwuma bebre me na gina mbubo mudin because I have been in the ministry ebi no ba me ho tama me minister ebi ba ye ho oh adwuma wa ha ni na boa no so wakoto aso na adwuma because number one oye Ghana ni adwuma no oye no enye NDC fo no ekwa no oyi no onyima NDC fo onyima MPP fo oya magana fo intimate seminar se mo wo bibi papa mo beka ananse mo asem bi a mo beka di
ono aboda no mo sim ko wi amo
nyamotre so mo wo bibi papa mo beka tia MPP a ananse mo beka tia rewu Bawumia mo so bibi fufu mbra na we die it won't wash
wa mo so makwa wi amo airport 10,000 bucks Dr. Bawumia office
my dear
honorable
Google Nyoma way nyina asem by yes special prosecutor komu. Look, this matter has been dealt with. See, and Nyoma way you know mo cover Bawumia and some of my candidate. Last year nyina no mo start asem way Emra Bawumia ba beko primaries and wo mo de bae and also and stick it and go baby a. No mo say the way Bawumia see ko slim wa ko shake you. This is a baby. Master, it won't wash. Say, Lemon, so person you can corruption as sama. Onipa corruption and do corrupt say no kobuano. You know, see him. I don't think say you fit Ford Explorer. One say you ready. And I refi sama Matiami to cover out what nipa no. Omo bi say refi. And I refi sada projects ba ya e hon confirm sama enkofo e ben mahama koye ehun adwuma no. Omo bi say refi ya.
And round confirm no former president Etrem or saying
One pacho. Nse kind no kra no say asem no kra. Nse mo kind no kra de was say asem no kra man mbo so kra. Confirm asem de former president man me sreno. Me sreno. Or come confirm na sema or the young near before be and the basketball before me. Nothing can cry. And no kind or come or Bolgano and confirm that to whom to be born in them. Minia. Oh, here, but slimmer, yet pet, oh, here, Bupro near to, oh, here, be pro every more, and confirm the two here, Bubru. Sasam, remember, Fama, the Mama, me and this four crown farm. Because I said, you crew that there been one platform, bring your crew. You crew that and one platform, bring your crew. We confirm some day. Look, Obieni, one of the stinking, most corrupt a year a course under President John Mahama was Sada. So Babeka and confirm Kobe, please. Brajon, you Rajon, made Pupa. Sada stemdi. Memfama. If there is one thing that has destroyed the Mahama presidency in the eyes of Northerners, is this Sada issue. And we all know the story. Nyam confirm unko. Niane omuka so omodie bia na way. Baby na president Mahama jina no. So that so slim. Omu nko round enko jina baby ntire say aha ni say the niana ye bedua ye na. Aha eniane ni. Omu ntire ye just one Sada afforestation project. One. That Mahama free akonya no so no. They can point to one Sada afforestation project. Please. They shouldn't get into this business with Sada with us at all. Because I idea a pre-year crew. A Maya Kai Yaobi. Over 400 million Ghana cedis. I don't know what the tools are project anymore. They should just point one. Media for journalists for woman consider one country. Sada project Bako. I wait me answer. They are desperately looking for something to stick, but it won't work because Bawumia is clean. If you be yeah, politics. I check Bawumia. What in the same corruption that? And someone can no proof. No proof. Na omushe yi. No man briye kro. Muko briye kro di koka sada nsema. And nyoma ye de beba out. Yempese ye beka nkrofo mo yaw.
Mame Faura, another issue that has been in the system for some days. Dr. Bawumia being chosen as the flag bearer of NPP in a Japadie book. How does it feel? I don't know. So what's it? A whole sem that has been peddling around as him being a puddle for the Achim mafias. And that is why he's been chosen.
Puddle. I mean, it's not even an insulting word to describe a running mate, a vice president, a potential president of the republic as a puddle. Come on.
Yeah.
Honorable.
Media sa a fiction book na no. I don't want to even elevate the conversation on that book on your platform. I have a lot of respect for you as a person and as a journalist of all these years of accumulated experience. I don't even want to dignify a fictitious document like this to even respond to it on your platform. I have too much respect for you. I won't do that.
Right.
You can move on to another matter.
Mate, let's go into your campaign.
Yes.
So far, Niema Ekosing.
Ekoyi papa. Yeah, Kasapi. The campaign you want some. You need it. You need it. Where you Bawumia from November 4th to February, I call your program or UPSC. From that day on, our manifesto is ready. We'll launch it very soon.
Yes, it's supposed to be launched Western region, Takrady.
That's right. It means that there's been a lot of work. We have taught the 5 northern regions, 56 constituencies. We come to Eastern region, and we are in Eastern region. We are focused. We are on the ground. We are cutting hands. We're engaging people. We're meeting society. The candidate is a very fair and bold candidate. He's taking his campaign to the grassroots. I think Nkrofo be it. Meanwhile, 1 year ago, Piaba, we're on the ground, we're shaking hands, message that you can and what doing. When you know you couldn't any monusese no, catching moto or doing a or doing Nyoma solutions or the paper or the bois, then Nyoma and Nyoma pattern. Opia or Ghana, and will yes here for 9 United to say, look, after COVID and Ukraine war, your mama get me. Me and to the cup, you know, if you soon say, and your mama your bread. No more. Shin your ma a buying no dear to any etuma a bay aye. Abba, I'm Ghana, a Hunseno, a Bressicacra, and this is a mamma tia woman treasia.
Is the vice president trying to detach himself from His Excellency Nanado? Ebi can't reason
why can the vice president want to detach himself? Why? What would be the strategic reason?
Ebi say campaign some of the comments are all metal electricity so solar and card scoring.
Before our budget programming, your buyer, you know, program you or your program, you host to program, anyone almost style near the same.
Me patch your Debbie.
And no.
Right.
And that for me, no. The Brema Bakwa, of the first way in Etuma will not be the same as the day Etumanama Linia. And that for me, no. Now, I will put some question. And you won't. And I'm not penny 7 no because of. Can you be full from the Tiwako Nemo, keep your friend and come in Casa? Come in Casa. And now I spoke to your network.
Yes.
I guess that has been my first time of speaking to your network. A dynamic or the phone, the friend, and Onunti. I think I've answered your question.
Yes. Yeah, fancy. Yeah, Bebre, nem say Yatna serious in Konya Dinkobo about anti Obankra, Yabefre, no Dinkobo. That's Papa. Miss Medasepa, Yamisha. Nadine de Anthony Abayifaa Karbo, former Deputy Minister of Roads, former Member of Parliament, a staunch member of the NPP or campaign team of Dr. Muhammad Bawumia. And I'll take Onua 95.1 FM. Yeah,